Okay, so this is the third and the final mechanism that we are going to do, Ash, which is mechanism of alcohol to ether. Okay, alcohol to ether. When you say alcohol to ether means ROH to what? ROR. Like the Ash? Good. Okay, so how are we gonna kick off this beautiful reaction? Step one. I believe the step one is almost similar for all the three mechanisms that we studied, Ash. I mean, like it's always protonation, right? In alkene to alcohol, protonation of water. Alcohol to alkene, it was, I believe, protonation of alcohol. And here also see protonation of alcohol. So how you're gonna do is like CH3 CH2OH plus H positive. When I say protonation of alcohol, so again H positive, which is the proton being, you know, it will be bound with this oxygen atom, resulting in the formation of what? Protonated alcohol. We already done this thing in our previous mechanism, right? You just copy it down. When you're done, Ash, when you're done. Good. You want me to explain this one? It's all almost similar to the previous one, right? No, we can continue the sentence start. The moment you said the U turn you took at the moment, like at the verge of, okay, please no, because it just feels like no, tell this one, like no, you can just move on. Oh my god. Sir, please explain. Sir, मुझे नहीं आता है explain कर दो. Sir, कर दो ना तो. Sir, कर दो. आप क्या है? मैं कर रहा हूँ. Step 2. Step 2. Formation of carbocation. Oh my god. Again, formation of carbocation, Ashlesha. Copycat. Yes, sir. Copycat. Carbon will lose one electron. Water will be removed out in the form of H2O. Positive charge will be formed over carbon. Pretty much the same. I mean, like the first two steps are completely similar with. हाँ जी एक करी यार है जी एक करी और you want that omelette stuff and all egg curry okay ऑप्शन लॉक कर दिया जाए KBC light hey high five Nick नहीं बच्चा see, one is that what term you said, eggetarian. One is vegetarian, one is non-vegetarian, one is eggetarian. I am cannibal. No, no, that's why I'm using it, right? है ना? You know, Ash, cannibal, not Annabella, cannibal, not Annabelle, cannibal. ABIL. CANNABIL. For your kind information. हाँ. अरे Ashlesha, please sum up the meaning. People who eat flesh of men. People. Don't worry, you are students of online batch, so yeah. Plus your fee come on time, so it's completely okay. Aja, thank you for telling me crockery. That's what I said. Attack of alcohol on CC. Write it down. Okay, so the third step is attack of alcohol on CC. So on CC, so I've just made this carbocation that have been formed in the above step, and alcohol will attack this time on this carbocation. And when I say alcohol, so you need to take the second molecule of that alcohol that you took in starting, CH3, CH2, OH, just write it down in such manner so that oxygen will be should come on the left side, so that it will be easier for you for showing the electron flow. Second of all, it is very obvious also, Ashlesha, because what we are making is ROR, right? Yes or no? So we have already got this R thing as a carbocation. We need this extra OR thing, and which can only be, you know, will show up only when we will be taking an extra molecule of alcohol, right? So here oxygen, having these two lone pairs, what I'm going to do is like, just in order to make you understand, one electron will be donated by this oxygen to this carbon, right? And I'm just using this oxygen, sorry, this electron S with the color for here is like this green one. Okay, and since oxygen has given this electron, so positive charge on oxygen, And since this carbon is taking this electron negative on this one, positive negative will cancel out, resulting in the formation of this beautiful bond between this carbon and the electron of this oxygen, right? And the final thing that will be formed will be, I believe there's something missing out here. There should be a positive charge over this oxygen, right, Ashlesha, because it has donated one electron. So that's how that will be the picture of the final product for this step, because now I'm at the verge of completion of this mechanism and I can easily analyze the last step, because in ether, when I say ether, I mean like ROR. I need just ROR. There's this extra H that is being connected with this O. I need to remove this H for here, right? And when I'll remove this H, how this H is gonna be removed as in the form of proton, which can only be done when H will lose one electron back to O, resulting in the cancellation of the positive and negative charge that will be formed at the O, right? Like this. So the H will lose this electron back to O, one electron being of oxygen and the other one coming from hydrogen, which will be this one. Hydrogen losing this electron, resulting in the formation of positive charge, or the proton, which will be get removed at the final step, and oxygen having been positively charged earlier, when takes up the electron of the hydrogen, resulting in the formation of negative, which will be cancelled out. Okay, resulting in the formation of final ether and a positive charge, which is proton fire. That's how it's being done. I believe that's wrong. That's why. I believe sometime writing unnecessary things could be harmful for you. Hopes you like the chemistry as well as the English classes of yours. Shall we wrap? Yep. Finally, after all the hustle and bustle, okay, then you're gonna shoot again the same question of protonated water for me. Acha, this one. Oh my goodness. You're in third step. It's third step. I'm sorry.